Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss computer hardware. And before this, I hope you have understood all of the topic which we have discussed before computer hardware. Now we are going to discuss computer hardware. Let's see what kind of hardware we will discuss in this lecture. Computer hardware basically is the section 1.3 of chapter 1. So before that we have done 1.1 and 1.2. Let's see what are the topics included in computer hardware. What is computer hardware? We'll discuss definition of computer hardware, then input output hardware, processing hardware, that is CPU, storage hardware related to memory, cache and its types, networking hardwares, hardware versus softwares, ports and types, expansion slots. So these are the topics we will discuss in this section. So let's see, move to next slide. What is computer hardware? It means any physical parts of computer system which can be touched and seen is called computer hardware. Students, hardware can be any physical part of computer, either it is internal or external. So, and even you can touch that hardware and you can see that hardware. Its example are keyboard, mouse, system box, monitor. These are all kind of computer hardware. You are all aware of, very well aware about this. All those parts which are inside the computer system box, such as the hard disk drive, motherboard, video card, and many others, are also kind of hardwares. Let's move to next slide. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware is required by the computer system to perform any function. So computer hardware is compulsory part of computer system. Without computer hardware, you cannot run your software. So software are run through hardwares. It includes all those parts which are connected with the circuit board that are used to operate within a computer, like motherboard, expansion card, CPU, central processing unit, ventilation fan, webcam, power supply, and so on. So these are all kind of computer hardware. There are two types of hardware: internal hardware, external hardware. So student, you can find two types of hardware, internal hardware and external hardware. Moving to next slide. So basically you can see this different hardware pictures: memory, keyboard, case, CD-ROM, CPU, case fan. So these are different hardware available and you must have seen before. So motherboards, network card, NIC. So these are all hardwares. So moving to next slide. What is computer hardware and what is internal hardware? Internal hardware are also called component which exist within the computer. All hardware which exists within the computer are also called components. It includes motherboard, expansion card, hard drive, sound card, and RAM, etc. These are all exist within the CPUs, CPU box, system box. All those parts which are connected to motherboard inside the computer system is called internal hardware. Remember, this is the definition of internal hardware. So you can see a picture related to internal hardware. So it has some example like CPU, RAM, ROM, graphic card, motherboard, sound card, network interface card, and internal fans. So these are all internal hardware. Moving to next slide. External hardware. All those computer hardware which are connected from outside with computer system is called external hardware. Student, remember, these external hardware also called peripherals and or input output devices. These external hardware also called peripheral or IO devices. IO means input output device. So these are all those hardware which are connected outside of the system, externally connected with the system box. Its example are flash drive, camera, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, and scanner, etc. So these are kind of hardware which connect outside the system, and these connected with ports. So we'll discuss later on. This is the pictures related to examples. You can say different external hardware which are connected with the CPU or system box. So these are all external hardware. End of lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.